Hello everyone, is your car struggling to shift gears? Are you experiencing delayed acceleration or rough shifting? If your OBD2 scanner has detected P0750 Shift Solenoid A malfunction, this means that one of the key solenoids controlling your transmission's gear changes is faulty, leading to jerky shifting, poor performance, or even a stuck transmission. In this video, I'll explain what P0750 means, its symptoms, and most importantly, where to find the key sensors responsible for this issue. Let's get started. What is P0750? The P0750 trouble code appears when the powertrain control module, PCM, detects a malfunction in Shift Solenoid A. This solenoid is responsible for controlling hydraulic pressure to engage and disengage gears smoothly. If this issue is not fixed, it can cause harsh, delayed, or failed gear shifting, slipping transmission check engine light on transmission overheating, reduced fuel efficiency car stuck in limp mode. If you're facing these issues, let's locate the key components responsible for the problem. Sensor and component locations. Where to find them? To diagnose P0750, check these important components. Shift Solenoid A. Location: inside the transmission valve body near the transmission pan. Function: controls fluid flow to shift gears smoothly. Transmission fluid pressure, TFP sensor. Location: mounted on the transmission case near the valve body. Function: monitors hydraulic pressure and ensures proper gear shifting. Transmission input speed sensor, ISS sensor. Location: on the transmission case near the input shaft. Function: tracks input shaft speed to regulate transmission performance. Transmission control module, TCM. Powertrain control module, PCM. Location: usually found under the hood, near the battery or firewall. Function: controls solenoid operation based on sensor inputs. Wiring and connectors. Location: runs between the solenoids, sensors, and PCM. Function: ensures stable communication. Damaged wiring can lead to solenoid failure. Common causes of P0750 faulty shift. Solenoid A. If it gets stuck or fails, gear shifting is affected. Wiring or connector issues, damaged or corroded wiring can disrupt solenoid function. Dirty or low transmission fluid. Contaminated fluid can block solenoids and cause shifting problems. Faulty transmission fluid pressure sensor. Incorrect readings can trigger the code. PCM/TCM software issues. A software glitch may require an update or reset. Internal transmission problems. A failing valve body or worn clutch plates may need repair. How to fix P0750. Step 1. Check transmission fluid, ensure it's clean and at the correct level. Step 2. Inspect Shift Solenoid A. Test its resistance with a multimeter. Step 3. Check the transmission fluid pressure sensor. Verify sensor readings. Step 4. Inspect all wiring and connectors. Look for corrosion damage or loose connections. Step 5. Examine the input speed sensor, ISS. Compare data with the output speed sensor. Step 6. Test the PCM/TCM connections. Ensure they are clean and securely connected. Step 7. Clear the code and test drive. Use an OBD2 scanner to reset the code and check for improvements. If left unfixed, P0750 can lead to severe transmission failure. Diagnosing and fixing it early can save you from expensive repairs. For more car repair tips, check out these videos next. P0366, camshaft position sensor B, range performance. P0367, camshaft position sensor B, circuit low input. Like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for expert car diagnostics.